Hello, everyone! Welcome to Health Tips 365 Global, where we bring you valuable health tips every day to help you live a healthier and happier life. Today, we're going to explore a dietary pattern that has been praised by nutrition experts worldwide as one of the healthiest diets, the Mediterranean diet. Have you ever wondered why people in the Mediterranean region tend to live longer and suffer from fewer chronic diseases? The secret lies not only in the foods they eat, but also in their lifestyle. Let's dive deeper into this diet, from its amazing health benefits to delicious and easy-to-make recipes. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any of our health tips. The Mediterranean diet has gained widespread recognition as one of the healthiest dietary patterns in the world, and for good reason. Rooted in the culinary traditions of countries bordering the Mediterranean Sea, such as Greece, Italy, and Spain, this diet emphasizes fresh, seasonal ingredients, healthy fats, and a balanced approach to eating. It is not merely a diet, but a lifestyle that promotes overall well-being, longevity, and a sense of community. The principles of the Mediterranean diet are simple yet profound, focusing on whole foods, plant-based ingredients, and mindful eating habits. At the heart of the Mediterranean diet is the abundant use of fruits and vegetables. These foods are packed with vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and fiber, all of which play a crucial role in maintaining health. The vibrant colors of Mediterranean produce reflect their rich nutrient profiles. For example, tomatoes are not only a staple in Mediterranean cooking, but also a source of lycopene, an antioxidant linked to reduced risk of heart disease and certain cancers. Leafy greens, such as spinach and kale, provide essential nutrients like iron and calcium, while citrus fruits offer a burst of vitamin C. The variety of fruits and vegetables consumed in this diet ensures that individuals receive a broad spectrum of nutrients necessary for optimal health. Whole grains are another cornerstone of the Mediterranean diet. Unlike refined grains, whole grains retain their bran, germ, and endosperm, making them more nutritious and beneficial for health. Foods like whole grain bread, brown rice, and quinoa provide fiber, which aids digestion and helps to regulate blood sugar levels. This is particularly important in preventing chronic diseases such as type 2 diabetes and heart disease. The Mediterranean diet encourages the consumption of complex carbohydrates, which provide sustained energy and keep hunger at bay. Healthy fats are a defining characteristic of the Mediterranean diet, with olive oil being the primary source. Rich in monounsaturated fats, olive oil has been shown to reduce inflammation and lower the risk of heart disease. It is also an excellent source of antioxidants, particularly vitamin E, which supports skin health and immune function. In addition to olive oil, the diet includes nuts and seeds, which are nutrient-dense foods that provide healthy fats, protein, and fiber. Almonds, walnuts, and sunflower seeds are commonly consumed in Mediterranean countries, contributing to heart health and overall well-being. Fish and seafood also play a prominent role in the Mediterranean diet, providing high-quality protein and essential omega-3 fatty acids. These fats are vital for brain health and have been linked to a lower risk of cognitive decline and depression. Fatty fish, such as salmon, sardines, and mackerel, are particularly rich in omega-3s and are often featured in Mediterranean meals. The consumption of fish several times a week is encouraged, while red meat is consumed sparingly, further emphasizing the diet's focus on lean protein sources. Dairy products, particularly yogurt and cheese, are enjoyed in moderation in the Mediterranean diet. These foods provide calcium and probiotics, which support gut health. Greek yogurt, in particular, is a staple, known for its rich texture and high protein content. It can be enjoyed on its own or used as a base for various dishes, adding creaminess and flavor while without excessive calories. Herbs and spices are essential components of Mediterranean cuisine, not only for flavor, but also for their health benefits. Ingredients like garlic, basil, oregano, and rosemary are used liberally, enhancing the taste of dishes while providing antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Rather than relying on salt for seasoning, the Mediterranean diet encourages the use of fresh herbs and spices, promoting a healthier approach to flavoring food. social connections, and shared meals are integral to the Mediterranean lifestyle. Eating is often a communal experience, where family and friends gather to enjoy food together. This practice fosters a sense of belonging and emotional well-being, which is as important for health as the food itself. The Mediterranean diet encourages mindfulness and appreciation of food, promoting slower eating and savoring each bite. This not only enhances the dining experience, but also aids digestion and helps individuals recognize their hunger and fullness cues. Research has consistently shown that adherence to the Mediterranean diet is associated with numerous health benefits. Studies have linked it to a reduced risk of cardiovascular disease, improved metabolic health, and lower rates of certain cancers. The diet's emphasis on whole, nutrient-dense foods supports weight management and reduces the risk of obesity-related conditions. Additionally, the Mediterranean diet has been shown to improve cognitive function and reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases, making it a powerful ally in promoting lifelong health. Incorporating Mediterranean diet recipes into daily life can be both enjoyable and rewarding. A classic dish like Greek salad, made with ripe tomatoes, cucumbers, red onions, olives, and feta cheese, showcases the simplicity and freshness of Mediterranean ingredients. Drizzled with olive oil and sprinkled with oregano, it is a perfect representation of the diet's principles. Another beloved recipe is the Mediterranean chickpea salad, combining canned chickpeas, diced bell peppers, parsley, and a zesty lemon dressing. This dish is not only nutritious, but also versatile, making it a great option for meal prep or as a side dish at gatherings. For a hearty main course, consider preparing a traditional ratatouille, a vegetable medley featuring eggplant, zucchini, bell peppers, and tomatoes, all simmered with herbs. This dish exemplifies the Mediterranean approach to cooking, highlighting the flavors of fresh produce while being low in calories and high in nutrients. Paired with whole grain couscous or quinoa, it becomes a satisfying and wholesome meal. Seafood lovers can enjoy grilled salmon drizzled with a lemon dill sauce, served alongside a quinoa salad filled with roasted vegetables. This dish not only provides the benefits of omega-3 fatty acids, but also offers a colorful array of nutrients from the vegetables. For those looking for a lighter option, a simple grilled shrimp skewer with garlic and herbs, served with a side of tzatziki sauce, is both flavorful and refreshing. Desserts in the Mediterranean diet are often fruit-based, celebrating the natural sweetness of seasonal produce. A classic Mediterranean dessert is baklava, made with layers of filo pastry, nuts, and honey. While it is rich, a small piece can satisfy the sweet tooth without overindulgence. Fresh fruit salads, drizzled with a touch of honey and sprinkled with mint, are also popular, offering a light and refreshing end to a meal. Embracing the Mediterranean diet is not just about the food. It is about adopting a holistic approach to health and wellness. It encourages individuals to prioritize quality over quantity, focusing on nourishing the body with wholesome ingredients while enjoying the pleasures of cooking and sharing meals with loved ones. This lifestyle fosters a deep appreciation for food and its role in our lives, promoting not only physical health, but also emotional and social well-being. In conclusion, the Mediterranean diet is celebrated as one of the healthiest diets in the world due to its emphasis on whole, nutrient-dense foods, healthy fats, and a balanced approach to eating. Its principles are rooted in the rich culinary traditions of Mediterranean cultures, promoting a lifestyle that values community, mindfulness, and enjoyment of food. By incorporating Mediterranean recipes into daily life, individuals can enhance their health, reduce the risk of chronic diseases, and cultivate a deeper connection to the food they eat. As research continues to support the benefits of this dietary pattern, it is clear that the Mediterranean diet is not just a trend, but a timeless approach to living well. The Mediterranean diet not only helps improve health, but also brings joy through cooking and sharing meals with loved ones. With its perfect combination of fresh ingredients, healthy olive oil, protein-rich fish, and a mindful approach to eating, you can naturally and sustainably enhance your well-being. What do you think about the Mediterranean diet? Try some of the simple recipes we suggested in this video and share your experience in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to Health Tips 365 Global for more daily health tips. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Wishing you great health and boundless energy.